Hi, and welcome to this clip which goes through a simple test tube qualitative test for the presence of the ammonium ion in aqueous solution. The word qualitative refers to any scientific conclusion that's based on observations that are made, as opposed to measurements that are taken. So in the first part of the film demonstration, I have to set the Bunsen burner flame to a combination of strong and gentle. So I switch the gas on and light my splint. And I have to turn the air hole to fully open to allow the full supply of oxygen to be drawn in. But first I'm just going to turn the gas down slightly. So you can see the flame getting a bit smaller. So you can hear the roar of the flame now. So the next thing that we do is that we prepare two separate samples of ammonium chloride and sodium hydroxide. So we put a little bit into two separate test tubes. Doesn't matter exactly how much. Just being careful to avoid the Bunsen burner flame there. You can hear it roaring in the background. So we take a little bit of our sodium hydroxide and we place a few drops of it into the test tube with the NH4Cl. Just take a little bit there, carefully pop it into the test tube. I can put the test tube back in the rack, and I'm going to prepare some damp litmus paper. So it has to be damp because then that allows the ammonia gas that is given off when you heat that mixture to actually dissolve in the water and therefore turn the red litmus paper blue. If you use dry litmus paper, it doesn't work. So I now have to heat my mixture. So if we heat that mixture carefully, so I'm standing slightly to the right, so it's not pointing directly at me. At the mouth of the test tube, you can see steam coming off, and clearly the damp red litmus paper turns blue. And this is the standard laboratory test for the presence of the ammonium ion, NH4+. And using ammonium chloride as we did in this particular instance, that would be the balanced equation for this particular reaction going on. Okay, thanks for your time in listening, and until next time, see you soon.